Did you know that neglecting your brakes can increase your stopping distance by as much as 30% in emergencies? That's a huge risk you don't want to take. But here's the good news. With just a few simple maintenance tips, you can make your brakes work better, stop faster, and even last significantly longer. Whether it's preventing unnecessary wear, boosting performance, or avoiding costly repairs, I'll show you exactly how to keep your brakes in top shape. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the secrets to keeping your brakes reliable and road-ready. Number 1. Flush brake fluid every 5 years. Brake fluid is what makes your car's brakes work by transferring the force from your foot on the pedal to the braking system itself. But here's where it gets tricky. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. That means it absorbs moisture from the air over time, even if your brake system is sealed. The more water that gets into the fluid, the less effective it becomes, especially under heavy braking when heat builds up. This can cause something called brake fade, which means your brakes won't grip as well when you need them most. And in humid places, this process happens even faster. Flushing out the old fluid and replacing it with fresh fluid every 5 years keeps your braking system operating at peak performance. It prevents corrosion in the brake line, maintains consistent braking power, and ensures that your brakes respond quickly when you press the pedal. If you're someone who keeps a car for a long time, this small maintenance step can save you from costly repairs later and keep your brakes working like new. And if you're thinking, do I really need this? The answer is yes, if you want to stop safely and extend the life of your braking system. Number 2. Inspect and maintain brake pads. Think of brake pads as the frontline soldiers of your braking system. They're the ones that make direct contact with the rotors and create the friction needed to stop your car. Over time, this constant friction wears them down, and if you let them get too thin, you're not only putting your brakes at risk, but also your safety. Thin pads can lead to metal-on-metal contact with the rotors, causing expensive damage and potentially dangerous situations. Checking your brake pads is simple and should be done regularly. Most brake pads come with a wear indicator, a small metal tab that makes a screeching sound when the pads are too thin. If you hear that noise, it's time to replace them immediately. You can also visually inspect them. If the pads are thinner than the width of a dime, they need to be swapped out. And when it's time to replace them, don't cheap out, go for high-quality pads like Akebono or other trusted brands. These not only last longer, but also reduce annoying squeaks and offer better stopping power. If you're finding this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. Number 3. Drive conservatively. It's simple. The less stress you put on your braking system, the longer it will last. Aggressive driving, constantly slamming on the brakes or speeding up just to stop abruptly takes a massive toll on your brake pads, rotors, and the entire system. Every time you hit the brakes hard, you generate heat, and that heat accelerates wear. Over time, it can even cause your rotors to warp, leading to costly repairs. Instead, practice smooth and controlled driving. Anticipate stops by looking ahead and easing off the accelerator early instead of waiting until the last second to brake. Avoid tailgating. Keeping a safe distance means you won't have to brake as often or as hard. And if you're carrying extra weight in your car, like unnecessary cargo in the trunk, lighten the load. Less weight means less force required to stop, which reduces strain on your brakes. Driving conservatively isn't just about saving your brakes. It improves fuel efficiency and even helps your car perform better overall. By simply being more mindful behind the wheel, you can easily get 100,000 miles or more out of a set of brake pads. Number 4. Check for fluid leaks. Brake fluid is the lifeblood of your brakes. It transfers the pressure from your foot on the pedal to the brake pads, allowing your car to stop efficiently. But here's the catch. If there's a leak anywhere in the system, it can cause a drop in brake pressure, making your brakes feel soft or unresponsive. And worse, if the fluid level gets too low, your brakes could fail completely. To check for leaks, start by inspecting the area around your brake lines, hoses, and calipers. If you notice any wet spots, drips, or puddles near your wheels or under your car, that's a sign of trouble. Leaking fluid is often a light yellow or brown color and has a slightly oily texture. You should also take a look at the brake fluid reservoir under the hood if the fluid level is low. It could indicate a leak somewhere in the system. Catching a brake fluid leak early can save you from expensive repairs and dangerous situations on the road. If you find a leak, don't ignore it. Get it fixed immediately by a professional. Remember, brake fluid leaks don't just affect performance. They're a safety risk you can't afford to overlook. Number 5. Clean drum brakes regularly. Over time, dust, dirt, and brake residue accumulate inside the drum, reducing the effectiveness of your brakes and even causing annoying squeaks. While modern drum brakes require less maintenance than older ones, a periodic cleaning can make a huge difference in performance and longevity. Here's how it's done. First, jack up the car and safely remove the wheels to access the drum brakes. Carefully take off the brake drum. It may need a little tap to loosen. Inside, you'll likely see a buildup of dust and grime. Use a brake cleaner spray to wash away all the debris, being careful to avoid breathing in the dust. If there's any surface rust, don't worry, it's normal and doesn't affect performance as long as the contact areas for the brake pads are clean. While you're at it, inspect the springs and hardware for wear, and if everything looks good, reassemble the drum. Regular cleaning not only improves braking efficiency, but also prevents unnecessary wear on the internal components. Number 6. Avoid riding the brakes. This happens when you keep your foot resting on the brake pedal while driving, even when you're not actively trying to slow down. It might seem harmless, but the constant pressure on the brakes causes unnecessary friction, overheating the pads and rotors, and wearing them down much faster than normal. Over time, this can lead to reduced braking efficiency and costly repairs. The best way to avoid riding the brakes is to be mindful of your driving habits. Use only your right foot to operate both the accelerator and brake pedals, even if you're driving an automatic car. This helps you avoid accidentally applying light pressure to the brakes. When going downhill, instead of constantly braking to control your speed, shift into a lower gear to let engine braking do the work. This reduces the strain on your braking system and keeps it cooler. By simply lifting your foot off the brake pedal when it's not needed, you can avoid unnecessary wear and tear, save money on repairs. Number 7. Use quality brake pads. While it might be tempting to save money by buying the cheapest pads you can find, they often wear out quickly, make irritating squeaks, and may not provide the stopping power you need in critical moments. High-quality brake pads, on the other hand, are designed to last longer, resist heat better, and offer smoother and quieter braking. Invest in trusted brands like Akabono or other premium options, which are often even better than the factory-installed pads. Quality pads are made with superior materials that not only improve performance, but also reduce the buildup of dust on your wheels, keeping them cleaner. Also, they're less prone to causing uneven wear on your rotors, which can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Remember, spending a little extra on quality brake pads is an investment in both your safety and your car's longevity. Number 8. Don't overload your vehicle. Carrying excessive weight puts additional strain on your braking system, making it work harder to slow down or stop the car. Over time, this extra effort causes your brake pads and rotors to wear out faster, while also generating more heat, which can reduce braking efficiency. To keep your car running smoothly, take a look at what you're carrying. Do you really need that heavy toolbox, unused sports equipment, or random junk in the trunk? By reducing unnecessary weight, you'll not only give your brakes a break, but also improve your car's fuel efficiency and handling. Check your car's manual for the recommended weight limit and stick to it. This will ensure your brakes and suspension don't suffer from avoidable wear and tear. A lighter car is easier to stop in an emergency, and with less wear on your braking system, you'll spend less on repairs and replacements. Number 9. Inspect disc brakes. Disc brakes are highly effective at stopping your car, but they need occasional checks to ensure they're working properly. Over time, the rotors, which the brake pads squeeze to create friction, can develop wear, rust, or other issues that affect performance. Start by visually inspecting the rotors. Surface rust is normal, especially if the car has been sitting, but it's only a concern if it's in the area where the brake pads make contact. Run your hand carefully over the surface. If you feel grooves or deep scoring, it might be time to resurface or replace the rotor. Next, check the brake pads. If they're thinner than the width of a dime, they need replacing. While you're at it, look for any signs of leaking brake fluid around the calipers or hoses, as this can affect braking efficiency. Regularly inspecting your disc brakes helps catch problems early, saving you from costly repairs and ensuring your brakes are ready when you need them most. Number 10. Avoid overheating your brakes. Brakes generate a lot of heat during normal operation, especially during hard braking or when driving downhill for extended periods. If they get too hot, the brake pads can glaze over, reducing their ability to grip the rotors effectively. This not only shortens the lifespan of your brake components, but also decreases your car's stopping power. To prevent this, practice controlled braking techniques. When driving downhill, use engine braking by shifting into a lower gear instead of riding the brakes. This reduces the workload on your braking system and keeps the pads and rotors cooler. If you're driving in stop-and-go traffic, leave plenty of space between you and the car ahead so you can brake gradually rather than slamming on the brakes repeatedly. Also, avoid towing heavy loads unless your car is specifically designed for it, as the added weight can quickly overheat the brakes. It's a small adjustment to your driving habits that can make a big difference for your safety and your wallet. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.